Hi, Jessie. Can I come in and ask you a few questions?
Sure, that sounds fun. Come on in.
How did you first discover the keto diet?
I had a friend who did it and she absolutely loved it, just felt amazing and looked amazing. And I was like, okay, I need that in my life.
How long have you been doing keto for?
I did it years and years ago for quite a while, like probably a full year, and I loved it so much. I felt so good.
What's your favorite keto chow flavor?
Oh, waffles, easy, delicious.
What's a common myth about keto that you want to debunk?
A common myth is that it's expensive. It did used to be expensive for me, but now we have this amazing company called Keto Chow.
What's one keto snack you can't live without?
Oh, easy, hard-boiled egg with a little piece of sharp cheddar. So yummy.
Do you have a favorite keto-friendly dessert?
Oh, yes, oh my gosh. So just like cookie dough in a fat bomb, it tastes exactly the same. You will not feel like you're depriving yourself. It is so yummy.
What's one surprising benefit that you've noticed since being on keto?
Mental clarity and focus. I have major ADD and I have a hard time focusing. And so when I'm able to sit down and focus on a task, I'm like, whoa, this is really cool. And I know it's because of keto.
If you could describe keto in 3 words, what would they be?
Oh, yummy, easy, energy.
What's your secret hack for staying on track with keto?
Oh, I have the perfect hack for you. Snacks. Just have snacks ready to go. And then you don't let yourself get hungry.
If keto had a mascot, what would it be?
Bacon. Just a big bacon suit. It's delicious because everyone loves bacon.
What's your best tip for surviving the dreaded keto flu?
Oh, this is perfect. So Keto Chow has their electrolyte packets from their brand Salty, and they're so good. You just put it in, just flush out the flu. I promise it'll be over very fast. I've had it twice.
What's your favorite keto success story, either yours or someone else's?
Honestly, I will totally celebrate mine. I'll be honest, I'm not like perfect at it all the time, but when I am, I'm so proud of myself because I feel like I'm being disciplined and I'm taking care of my body and I feel so good. My body has responded to keto really well.
What's your favorite keto meme or joke?
Oh, I got a good one. Okay, so it's a picture of a guy that is like super surprised. And it says, when your hubby finds out it was cauliflower the whole time.
What's the most surprising thing you've learned about your body since starting keto?
The most surprising thing I've learned about my own body is that my body does what it's supposed to do. When people are like, oh, it's just a diet, it's just a fad. No, it's not. It's literally just helping your body be awesome in a better way.
What's the most creative way you've explained keto to someone who doesn't get it?
For real, I have said, just take 5 minutes, just 5 minutes to go look on Pinterest, type in easy keto recipes. You'll be amazed. And then you'll feel excited because all of it looks delicious, and it is.
What's the biggest keto win that made you feel like a total boss?
When I did keto the first time, I lost 30 pounds and I felt amazing. And I felt like I was doing something healthy for my body.